Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set your Wix website in vacation mode. This is incredibly useful if you run an online store or business site and need to step away for a while, whether it's for holidays, personal time, or temporary closure. It lets your visitors know you're unavailable and even disables checkout features automatically. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Apps. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select App Market. This is where you'll find all the tools and integrations available to enhance your Wix site. You'll now be directed to a library filled with various apps you can use and integrate with your Wix account. It's a pretty extensive collection, so to save time, locate the search bar at the top of the page, type in vacation mode, and hit enter. This will filter the results and show you apps specifically designed for this purpose. From the search results, look for the app that says Set Your Site in Vacation Mode while you're away, and click on it. This is the official Vacation Mode app that works seamlessly with Wix sites. Once you click, you'll be taken to the Vacation Mode overview page. Take a moment here to scroll down and read through the app's features and functions. You'll also see user reviews, which can give you a good sense of how well the app works for others. Continue scrolling until you reach the pricing and plans section so you know what to expect. Cost-wise, once you're ready and comfortable with what the app offers, simply scroll back up to the top and click on Add to Site. A small permission window will appear on your screen. Here you'll see a list of what the Vacation Mode app is asking permission to access or modify on your site. Click on each item listed and read through it carefully. This is important because you want to understand exactly what changes the app will make. Once you've reviewed everything and you're comfortable proceeding, click on Agree and Add. Now, it might take a little while for the app to install, so be patient during this process. Don't refresh the page or navigate away while it's installing. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to set vacation mode through a calendar interface, and it will display a banner on each of your pages stating you're on vacation. It's worth noting that this app also disables checkout on your Wix stores and e-commerce features, so your customers won't be able to place orders while you're away. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now set to vacation mode, giving you peace of mind while you're taking a break. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.